Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add widgets to the lock screen on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to do this, we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings you want to scroll down and go to wallpaper. On the left side you will find the preview of your current lock screen, so you want to press customize. And now here under the clock you should be able to find a widget or add widget button, so you can tap over there in order to find the list of widgets with apps as well. So if you want to add a shortcut or something, then of course you can do that over here. You can add multiple of them, of course. If you want to remove, then you can press on them to do that. And let's say I want to find, I don't know, like battery status, I can add it over here. I can add 2 of them if I want to. And of course you have limited space. If you try to add too much, then you will have this information that you need to remove widget. You must remove a widget to add something. So keep that in mind that you have limited space for widgets over here. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done, press done in the top right corner in order to save your changes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.